Integrating Apple Pay NFC payments into your business is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. First, you need to ensure your business is eligible for Apple Pay. This includes having a merchant account and being able to process transactions through a payment gateway. Next, you will need to register for an Apple developer account. This will provide you with the necessary tools and documentation to integrate Apple Pay into your business. Once you have your Apple developer account, you can download the necessary software development kits and integrate Apple Pay into your app or website. To integrate Apple Pay, you will need to add the necessary code to your app or website. This includes the Apple Pay button and the necessary payment processing code. You will also need to configure your payment gateway to work with Apple Pay. This includes setting up the necessary payment processing rules and security protocols. One of the key concepts to understand when integrating Apple Pay is the concept of a payment token. This is a unique identifier that is used to process transactions and keep customer information secure. Another key concept is the concept of a payment request. This is the request that is sent to the customer's device to initiate a transaction. In terms of best practices, it is essential to ensure that your app or website is secure and compliant with industry standards. This includes using secure sockets layer encryption and complying with payment card industry data security standards. You should also ensure that you are providing a seamless and intuitive user experience. This includes making it easy for customers to add and remove payment methods and view their transaction history. To test your Apple Pay integration, you can use the Apple Pay Sandbox. This is a testing environment that allows you to test your integration without actually processing transactions. You can also use the Apple Pay dashboard to monitor and manage your transactions. This includes viewing transaction history and managing payment methods. Overall, integrating Apple Pay NFC payments into your business can help to increase sales and improve customer satisfaction. It provides customers with a convenient and secure way to make payments and can help to reduce friction at the checkout. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure a successful integration and start accepting Apple Pay payments today.